In the vast and complex world of modern business, getting a product from a simple idea into your hands is a journey of immense scale. Big companies like Nike must coordinate thousands of people and processes across continents. They need strong, intelligent systems to make and sell things fast, and to do so without costly errors. Without these digital backbones, the entire operation would slow to a crawl. It would become inefficient and expensive. The right systems are the difference between a global leader and a struggling enterprise. They save precious time. They conserve vast sums of money. They ensure that every team is working from the same sheet of music. Designers in Oregon, factory managers in Vietnam. To orchestrate this global performance, three main types of systems are essential: enterprise resource planning, supply chain management, customer relationship management. Each of these systems has a very specific and crucial job to do. Think of them as the brain, the circulatory system, the sensory organs of a company. When they work together in harmony, they create a powerful, responsive organism. They provide managers with the clear, accurate information needed to make better choices. At the very core of a company's operations lies its central nervous system, the Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP system. This is a massive software suite that acts as a single unified database for the entire organization. It is designed to hold and manage data from almost every corner of the business, including critical areas like finance, human resources, manufacturing, sales. An ERP system is built on established best practices, providing a standardized way to handle common processes. A company selects the modules it needs, then maps its unique operational steps to the software. The true power of an ERP is that it creates a single source of truth. Before ERPs, departments kept separate records. Finance had its own numbers, sales had theirs, warehouse had another version. That caused confusion, delays, and costly mistakes. An ERP eliminates these data silos. When a sales rep enters a new order, the info is instantly available to finance for billing, the warehouse for shipping, manufacturing for planning. This seamless flow boosts efficiency across the company. Leaders get firm-wide visibility with a real-time dashboard of company health. If ERP is the company's brain, then supply chain management, or SCM, is its circulatory system, managing the flow of goods, information, and finances from the very beginning of a product's life to its final destination. A supply chain is not a single line, but a complex network of organizations, people, activities, and resources. This network has three primary parts. The first is the upstream portion, which includes all the suppliers that provide raw materials and components. For a shoe, this could be the providers of rubber, leather, fabric. The second is the internal portion, where the company itself performs its work, such as designing the product and coordinating production. The third part of the network is the downstream portion. This is where the finished product moves out from the company to the customer. It involves a chain of distributors, warehouses, retailers, and transportation companies, all working to get the product onto store shelves or delivered to a customer's home. Just as goods and materials flow downstream towards the customer, Nike provides a textbook example of a modern, global, and outsourced supply chain in action. The company itself does not own the factories. Instead, it hires independent contract factories, mostly in Asia. It acts as the choreographer of a massive production. Raw materials are sent to the factories. Factories produce the finished goods, shipped to Nike-controlled distribution centers, shipped from distribution centers to distributors. Distributors ship to retailers. Retailers sell to the end customer. Global relay race of incredible precision. Physical goods flow downstream, digital information flows back upstream. New product designs, production orders for specific shoe models, inventory replenishment needs precise delivery schedules. Suppliers send back available production capacity. Suppliers send back lead times. Suppliers send back real-time production status updates. This two-way communication allows Nike to have a clear view of its entire production pipeline at all times. Tier 3 suppliers, chemicals or cotton. Tier 2 suppliers process materials into components, textiles, rubber soles, foam cushioning. Tier 1 suppliers, massive contract factories assemble final products. While ERP and SCM manage the internal and operational aspects of the business, the Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, system is focused entirely on the outside world, the customer. A CRM system is a company's centralized memory bank for every interaction it has with its customers. It captures, stores, and analyzes customer data from all across the company: sales calls, marketing campaigns, website visits, and customer service inquiries, and consolidates it into a single, comprehensive view of each customer. This allows every customer-facing employee to have the same, complete picture, leading to a more consistent and personalized experience. CRM systems are generally divided into two types: operational and analytical. Operational CRM is concerned with the day-to-day, customer-facing processes. It provides tools that support the sales force, such as tracking leads, managing contacts, and generating quotes. It assists customer service teams by managing service requests and tracking communication history. It also empowers the marketing department to automate campaigns, manage email lists, and analyze the effectiveness of their outreach. For example, when you contact Nike's customer support, the agent uses an operational CRM to see your past purchases and previous inquiries, allowing them to help you more effectively. Analytical CRM, on the other hand, delves deeper into the data collected by the operational side. The already powerful trio of ERP, SCM, and CRM systems is now being supercharged by the integration of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a futuristic buzzword, it is a practical tool. It is making these systems smarter, faster, and more predictive. Within ERP systems, AI is revolutionizing how users interact with complex data. Many modern ERPs now include natural language processing tools, which allow a manager to simply ask a question in plain English. What were our top-selling products in Europe last quarter? The AI can understand the query, retrieve the correct data, and present it in an easily digestible format. AI's ability to analyze massive datasets is transforming ERP planning and forecasting. It can sift through years of financial and operational data, identify subtle patterns, uncover hidden correlations, and flag potential risks. This leads to far more accurate sales forecasting, more resilient financial planning, and a proactive approach to risk management. By automating routine analysis, AI frees up human decision-makers, augmenting their intelligence and speeding decisions from days to minutes. In supply chain management, AI is having a profound impact. It analyzes huge, complex data from across the global supply network. Weather patterns. In the end, these three powerful systems, ERP, SCM, CRM, are not meant to operate in isolation. Their true value is unleashed when they are integrated, working together to provide a single, consistent, and comprehensive picture of the entire business. The ERP system runs the internal core processes, managing the money and resources. The SCM system manages the external flow of goods and materials from supplier to factory to customer. And the CRM system manages the all-important relationship with that customer. When linked, they form a unified symphony of data and action, eliminating friction and creating a seamless flow from one end of the business to the other. This integration makes decisions clearer, faster, and more accurate.